produced it.
Start by cutting the top in half to separate the bottoms from the top. Once you've done that, you've done the top half, so place that to the side. Then fold your shorts in half, it doesn't matter what kind of shorts. The most important thing is to make sure that you can see the outline and the shape, so you want to pull the back like this. If you're unsure whether you've got enough fabric, just fold your piece of material over. If it covers, that means it's okay. Then with my pink soap, I made an outline of the shorts and this made my pattern. Then using your scissors, cut the pattern out. I like to keep the shorts on there just for extra support and guidance. You should have this. Now repeat the same steps with the leftover fabric. Then I separated the fabric into half, so I had 4 pieces. Then match up the sides together, and then we're going to pin the inner side. Up until here, and then we're going to take it to the sewing machine and sew that piece together, and do the same for the other side. Here's a close-up of where you should sew. Using a zigzag stitch, I just close that up. Repeat the same steps for the other fabric. Once you've done that, you should have 2 pieces of fabric that look like this. So now you want to take the other side and place it on top and pin the edges together. I'm just showing you here, you want to pin along the sides of the shorts. So just to close up those edges. Make sure it's inside out. Don't forget to join up the crotch area so we're able to walk and we'll have shorts. And that's how I made the shorts, guys. It should look like this. At this stage, you can decide whether you want to add elastic or you want to leave it. I decided to leave mine. I added a lettuce hem to the edges just to add bouginess. This is optional. And that's how I made this cord, guys. I also added a lettuce hem to the top. I hope you've enjoyed. Let me know how it goes. Thank you. Bye.